ये स्क्रिप्ट आपको सुनाई गई तो आपने घर पे भी चर्चा की, और घर पे चर्चा करने के बाद सैफ साहब का क्या था कहना इस पर्टिकुलर स्क्रिप्ट के लिए?
एक्चुअली हम लोग ने पहले कभी स्क्रिप्ट डिस्कस नहीं किया, बट ऑफ कोर्स व्हेन बाल्की सर मैसेज्ड मी आई वाज वेरी एक्साइटेड बिकॉज आई respect him as a filmmaker, and I just told Saif that I'm going to meet Balki, and he's going to narrate me his script, and I think the conversation ended there till last night. फिर last night उन्होंने promo देखा because Balki sir sent the promo home, and I wanted Saif to see it before anyone else does. And I think I've never seen the reaction. He's like, I think it's one of the best promos I've seen, and he was like, I'm so proud that you've actually said yes to now this is what the all of us actors say कि ये अलग फिल्म है, कुछ हटके है इस फिल्म में, कुछ अलग है. He's saying this is actually what is different. So I think his reaction was amazing in spite, and he had not heard or heard the script, nothing. I hadn't told him anything, but he definitely knew through the making of the film that I was very, very excited. So he knows that when I'm excited, when an actor is excited, there's going to be something special out there.
I would like to add to what she just said. I got one of the most warm and amazing messages from a fellow actor that I look up to, and that is Saif yesterday. He's not somebody who's very vocal about it unless he genuinely feels it. He was very happy when Ishaq Zadeh released, and he had messaged me that time. And yesterday night, he sent me a message because obviously he knew how much fun we had doing the film, but he reacted genuinely as an audience, and he felt really, really proud that both of us had done the film. So it meant a lot to me coming from, I think this genre is something that he has done so well over the course of these years. And it just meant a lot coming from him. And if an actor like that gives you that respect, you do feel you're heading in the right direction. So it was very important to get that vote of confidence from Saif as well.